In front of me is Nokia C21 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this Nokia. First of all, you need to open Calendar app. If you never used it before, click on this icon at the bottom right corner and choose Got It. From here, you need to tap on the month above and pick a date. When you're ready, you can tap over here twice to create your event, or select this plus icon at the bottom right corner instead and choose Event from the list. Either way, now adjust it however you want to. For example, add a title, pick email, and one of those sections I will go with local calendar. Select starting hour and ending one. If you don't want to do that, you can always disable this feature as well by clicking on this switcher next to all day. Then click on Does Not Repeat and select one of those options if you want your event to repeat, like every year. If you don't, just tap on the same option and choose Does Not Repeat. You can also choose Custom instead and adjust it however you wish to. Then save it by tapping on Done. Now we need to scroll down, add people, choose add location and select while using or only this time in the pop-up. Then type in an address of your happening and tap on the correct one. Finally, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, or select custom, pick number of days and save them by choosing Done. Now you can also take notes and finally save your event by choosing Save at the top right corner. As you can see, mine was successfully added. You can edit it by tapping on it, choosing this pen icon and making your changes. Then discard them by tapping on this X or save them by hitting Save. If you wish to delete your event though, you need to tap on it again, but this time select those three dots at the top right corner, choose Delete at the top and confirm your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!